Hello everyone. Today we have a copy key for an Audi A8 2018. It's a keyless one, push to start key, and I will use an Exos key. You can swipe the board. It's this key, so you can swipe the board if you want it. You can swipe the board from this one and put it into an OM key shell, and it's perfectly working. And let's generate the key now. Okay, we're gonna go to remote keys, vehicle remote, select the Audi. You need to check what frequency is the key, and in my case it's 868. Okay, vehicle remote, then Audi. And we'll generate this key. Okay, perfect. That's complete. Okay, let's take the keys and let's go to let me own the car. All right, here's the car. I'll put the keys here. Turn on the ignition. Perfect. Turn off the radio. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna use the VVDI2. And let's go on the Volkswagen. Perfect. I will go on the keylearn, select the fifth immobilizer system. And let's press the read BCM2 data. All you have to do is you need to hold the back of the key next to the emergency starting right here. Okay, I will press read and then I will hold the key there. Read and hold the key. Let's press OK. VVDI2 is reading the data now. Perfect. You can remove the key now from the ignition. Let's save this file. That's the emo data. Audi A8. Okay. Let's save the data on the desktop. All we need now, we need the sync data. And we have to press make dealer key. Okay, yes, reading the key info. Okay, we have 4 options here. In my case it's an Audi A8 and it's an add key. We need to select the second option. Next, please input the working key into the VVDI2. It's now reading the key information. He asked me if I want to save the synchronized data. Yes, we will save it. Sync Audi A8. Okay, now we need to remove the working key from the VVDI2, put the exhaust key, and we need to load the emo data. Perfect. Open. Please put the key into the programmer, then continue. Yes, the key is right in the VVDI2. It will take a few seconds to generate as a dealer key, and then we can finish the process by learning the keys. Okay, dealer key successfully made. Press OK. Let's put both keys here. And you need to select the number of the keys on the bottom right corner. In my case I have 2 keys, and select 2 keys. Make sure the ignition is always on, yeah, so don't turn off the ignition. Then let's press key learn. Let's load the emo data again. Emo data, open. Okay, it will ask me to put a working key next to the ignition coil. Let's press OK and hold the key near antenna, and soon it will appear the it will appear the message with the count of keys. Okay, one of the keys learned. We need to remove the key. Now we can stop the ignition, press one more time, and then hold the key near the antenna, and the ignition will automatically turn on. And as you see in the dashboard, there are 2 keys learned at the moment. And the most important thing, don't forget to press OK after you see the counting on the screen, and make sure you see this message: all keys successfully learned. Otherwise the key will work just for a few times and then it will stop working. Okay, we can now close the VVDI2. Let's disconnect the OBD and let's check the keys. Ignition is on now, so that's my key. It's perfect. Remote is working. Let's check the OEM key. Perfectly working. And let's testing one by one. Okay, gonna leave the key here. Press the brake. Start stop engine. Engine starts, no problem. Okay. Let's check also the original key. Perfect. Everything is working fine. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you need any information and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll try to answer as quick as I can. Thank you, guys.